Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I will be creating a soft glam look using only brown tones, and I will be using the products that I rely on the most. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And now let's get ready together. Let's start with a lip balm. I'm using my Vaseline Lip Therapy. That feels good. For my foundation, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever HD Skin. This is in the shade 1N14. I'll take 1, 2, 3 pumps of it. Taking my beauty blender to blend this out. This shade is a tad bit dark for me, but we will make do. This is a really nice medium coverage foundation. For my concealer, I'm going to take my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This is in the shade 4. I tend to use concealer for my eye as my eye primer. It works out for me. Let's do the brows really quick. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in the shade Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Granite. I don't have a lot of brows, so I don't do much for my brows. I don't like to fill them up too much because it looks unnatural then. It's good enough. Now I want to add some color on my face, so I'm going to take my Nars Bronzer with my Bobbi Brown brush. I'm going to take some of that. This is a really nice shade. And a little bit goes a long way. For my highlight, I'm going to use my MAC cream color base in the shade Hush. This is probably the most natural looking highlight that I have. This is gorgeous. I find it best to apply it with my fingers. Okay, now let's add some blush. Remember, we're only using brown tones, so I'm going to use my Nude Stick Nudies matte in the shade Sunkissed. I love this color. You can use this as a bronzer too, depending on your skin color. Love, love, love this color. There we go. Now let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to do an eyeliner. For that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty eyeliner in the shade, what is this? I don't know the shade of this, but this is the brown shade. I think we're having a good eyeliner day. What do you think? I'm going to move on to my crease shade. I'm taking my Natasha Denona Biba palette. And I'm going to take this freckle shade. It's a nice transition shade. To define the liner a little bit more, I'm going to dip into my this shade Seed with an eyeliner brush and just go over that. It makes a slight difference. For my mascara, I'm going to use my Beauliss Fake It mascara. Unfortunately, this is a product you can only get from Turkish drugstores, but this is the best brown mascara that I own, and I just freaking love it. It's a really nice shade. And I only need one coat. My lips are all hydrated. I'm going to use my MAC Strip Down. This color looks good on me, I think. What do you think? Next, I'm going to take my Nars liquid lipstick in the shade Somebody to Love. And this is a really nice brown shade. Alright guys, this is the final look. And we're at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. If you have any signature looks that you want to tag in the comments, that would make me really happy. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!